Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to clean cache of all apps all at once in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, say whenever we press and hold on the respective application, and if you click on this app information, and you can see here storage and cache, just click on it. Now here you will get a option to clear cache, but this is only to clear a cache of this particular application, so we don't have any such option by default to clean cache of all apps all at once. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, to search for one application name as Cache Cleaner by PMX666. On the first list, you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Once again, scroll down below again. Now you'll see here app release.apk. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on this open. Click on install. Click on open again. Now it will ask you various permissions. Just allow all the permission. Click on OK. Now here you can see various options: clean cache of user apps only, or clean cache of system apps only, or clean cache of all apps. So we are gonna clean cache of all apps, so we're gonna use this third option. Just click on it. Now it will ask you more options, so you can read the instructions or you can follow my video tutorial. Just click on allow, and now just click on this cache cleaner. Just turn it on. Now if you see this kind of app was denied access, so I've already created one video about this issue, so you can watch that video tutorial by clicking on the link I have provided in the video description. So I'm just skipping directly and I'm gonna directly turn it on. Now just turn it on. Finally we have turned on the permission. Now just move back. Now once again click on this clean cache of all apps. Now once again allow the permission by clicking on allow. Click on this cache cleaner. Just enable this use cache cleaner. Click on allow. Just move back. Once again click on this clean cache of all apps. So now you can select the entire applications by clicking on this tick mark. So once you've selected all the application, then you can click on this icon. Now you can see here total number of apps it is cleaning to have patience until the complete process is done. So finally you can see the cleaning of cache of all apps has been completed. As you can see, cleanup cache was finished. Cleanup size, as you can see, the total number of cache file size that is being cleaned. So it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily clean cache of all apps all at once in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.